Chicky babes. Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing video today of the Dark Days Tarot, which I backed on Kickstarter, which was a successful Kickstarter. And I am very excited to share this with you. It is by Ren McMurdo, and the guidebook has been written by Emily Mundy. So I will be going through this. I'm going to be switching cameras over so that you can see them nice and clear. I had a lot of feedback. Some people really liked seeing my face, and some people really liked the clear camera. I like the fact that you can see the cards better, so I thought I would always just do an introduction to say, hi, what's up? And show you the sort of size of the deck. Beautiful box. And then I'll switch cameras over, and we can have a squizzy, a little looky of the Dark Days Tarot. I go through each card and you can get my first impressions as well. So let's switch over. Okay, so now we have the Dark Days Tarot, and we're going to open this beauty up and see what we've got. I'm trying to find, there we go, a way to open it. The shrink wrap gets me every time. So this is a square deck, something that we don't see a lot of in community, and again another beautiful hard box. Oh man, just throw that onto the fire. That's a great place for it to be. Beautiful matte finishing. Comes with a little guidebook inside. So what have we got in here? Introduction, card directions, numbers in tarot, major arcana, minor arcana, layouts. Beautiful. So these are the layouts. I just managed to flip it onto that page quite easily. I'm going to open this up at the end as well and see what card we get. Inspired by the lunar cycle, especially the dark days. Beautiful. Card directions. Oh, because it's square, right? Very cool. Some numerology, and then the major arcana. Cool. I'm going to stop there because I want to actually see this deck the first time through, and then go from there. Okay, so this is the size of the deck. I love the backs. They're so pretty. Look at that, gorgeous. Again, the cardstock on this is a little thin. That's okay. So this is a black and white deck, as you can see as we fan this out. Some of the cards are on white backs and some of the cards are on black backs, and I really liked that about the Dark Days Tarot as well. I thought it was really interesting and unique. It's very unique. The Fool. Ace of Cups. Magician. Beautiful. Ace of Pentacles. And I just opened this. This is the order that it's come in. Ace of Swords. So this deck is not going to be for everyone. Ace of Wands, but I really love it. Two of Cups. High Priestess. I think she's so beautiful. I really love the art. I love that it's like, it's so different. It reminds me a little bit of the of the Spirit Speak Tarot by Mary Evans, which is also on my channel. I love like different interpretations and really interesting, thought-provoking, challenging artwork, like the little fetus in the middle there. Like, I think it's really cool. Beautiful three swords. So it looks like the major arcana are on the white and the minor arcana are on the black backs. Hierophant, it's gorgeous. Very Father Sky. It's a really beautiful Five of Pentacles. Five of Swords. Five of Wands. Interesting Six of Cups. I feel like this is I mean, it's a deck that I probably wouldn't recommend to beginners of the tarot, but again, I've said this a million times and I'm probably going to say it a million more in my career, that you can start with any deck that you want, but this it definitely has some very different interpretations of the tarot. I love Six of Wands, like Victory, and the Chariot's really cool. Seven of Cups. Really like that Eight of Cups. Justice. So Justice is 8 in this deck. Eight of Pentacles. Like a little hermit crab. Nine of Pentacles. I love that. Ten of Cups. I think these are really beautiful. I'm climbing up the mountain there with all these wands. The wheel. Yeah, I really like them. I love that. I'm looking forward to seeing how they read. I'm going to give them a shuffle in a hot second too, so it'll be interesting. The Hanged. Love that Temperance. Oh, I like that with the mask. Oh, yes. Yes, God. Okay, so now we're going to have the Court. Yeah. I want to see how it was printed. King of Cups. King King of Pentacles. As you can see, it's a very abstract deck, so very abstract. So I have Sauron. Very abstract court as well, which would be interesting again, and probably one of the reasons why I wouldn't recommend this to people who, beautiful Knight of Cups, I love humpback whales, for beginners. I actually, and I know, you know what, I have a page of cups that I drew, gosh, 5 years ago, that it's a mermaid like that. But my art style is very, very different, but she was like the mermaid with a treasure chest. Pentacles. Oh, wicked tongues. Oh, I love that. Queen of Cups. Ovaries. We need ovaries to live. Swords. And Queen of Wands. Awesome. So let's have a look. I'm going to shuffle. I think that these cards, because they are square, I think the size was done very thoughtfully, because if they were done really, really big, it might have been a little bit harder to shuffle, whereas like you can still, as you just saw just then, it's the first time I've shuffled them. It was easy for me to riffle shuffle them. The cardstock is on the more Llewellyn cardstock side. I don't know. We're a funny bunch, aren't we, us Tarot Tribe? Like, some things are like total deal breakers to some of us, and other things are like total deal breakers. Oh, we're a picky little bunch. We're definitely an opinionated little bunch. All right, so let's pick a card. The Moon. Okay, let's have a look at what we have in the guidebook, just to see how much information we kind of get to show you. Going the wrong way, girl. This way. Start Moon. Okay, so we get upright, keywords, right, left, reversed, and then a little paragraph there. And so that's the same with every card. You get the upright, right, left, and reversed. So it's an interesting concept, having it laid out like a grid. Seeing the, you have, which is sort of Lenormand like, but I think it's really sweet. I love the images. Like I said, I love the fact that it's modern, it's abstract, it's different. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it reads, and thank you so much for watching my little video and checking it out.